Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for adding a touch of creativity and organization to your space: the Creative Hobbies synthetic chalkboard with unfinished wood frame. If you're looking for the best small chalkboards on the market, you're in the right place. Let's start by taking a closer look at what makes these chalkboards stand out. They come in a convenient pack of 6, each measuring 4 by 6 inches. What I love about them is their versatile design. They're double-sided, giving you twice the space to work with. Whether you're jotting down notes, creating mini menus, or leaving messages for loved ones, these chalkboards are up for the task. The frames are made from unfinished wood, which not only adds a rustic charm but also allows you to personalize them. You can paint, stain, or decorate them to match your decor style or event theme. This makes them ideal for weddings, parties, or even as educational tools in classrooms. Speaking of versatility, these chalkboards are perfect for various uses around the house or office. Use them as daily reminders, to-do lists, or even as a creative outlet for kids. They work seamlessly with both traditional chalk and chalkboard markers, and cleanup is a breeze with a simple wipe. Whether you're a teacher looking for classroom essentials, a parent organizing a family command center, or an event planner adding a rustic touch to your next gathering, these chalkboards won't disappoint. That wraps up our review of the Creative Hobbies synthetic chalkboard with unfinished wood frame. If you're ready to add versatility and charm to your space, click the link in the description below to get your own set. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. And subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.